Hello, good day. So this is FX Swat. Today we are going to be talking on our MT5, knowing our tools. What does quote mean? What does chart mean? In fact, what do everything in the MT5 mean? That's what we are going to talk about today. So firstly, let's go to the quotes. Remember, like, subscribe, and also leave comment. Turn on the notification bell. Now we are going to quotes. Quote is right here. So quote. So what are we doing here? In Forex, we have different assets. We also have synthetic pairs. Though only the derivative broker offers synthetic pairs. Now, what's the difference between the financial pairs and the synthetic pairs? The financial pairs, they open on Monday. And they close on Friday. So it means they don't open on Saturdays and Sundays. You get it? Why the synthetic pairs, they are always open, just like a replica or a photocopy of the financial market. But they are not be influenced by anything. Now we are going to be adding the synthetic pairs first before the currency pairs. Now, as a trader, in fact, once we already opened a demo account. If you are opening a live account, when it's time for you to open a live account, you can choose between, you can't trade the two together. You can't trade synthetic and currency pairs together. It's either you are choosing currency pairs or you are choosing the financial pairs. So they won't allow you trade both together. You understand? So for the purpose of this video, we are going to be adding everything together. Now let's go click on the plus sign, and then right from this jump indices up, everything inside here are all synthetic pairs. They are all synthetic pairs, so they are always open. You understand? Now we click on the volatility index and then add the ones you can trade. It's not advisable to add all, though. Just click the one you like, click on the crash and boom, add the ones you like. You understand? And then if you need currency pairs, you can focus on these. You can also trade gold if you like. Go to metals and then you see gold and silver. This silver, this gold. You understand? For those that like Bitcoin, you can go to crypto. You can also trade Bitcoin. This Bitcoin here. You understand? So let me add some from the Forex for the financial market. So let me just add this, and this. So I'll just click on it now. So they've been added. Once you go back to your charts, now the next is the chart. You can see the quote section. It was only this one that was here before. Because we have added this one now, you can see they all appeared. You can see it. Now, to see the chart of all these pairs, you come to this place. Or you can also do it from here. You just let's touch on this volatility now. And then you go to chart. You allow it to load, and this is the chart, present chart of volatility 10. In case you don't want to view the chart from this quote section, you can just go to this chart, right? So let me go to the chart and then click on this dollar sign, and then all of them will appear. So it's even easier from here. So let's go to the Boom 1000 now. This is the chart of Boom 1000. We head over to, let's use the last one, Euro GBP. And this is the chart of Euro GBP. You understand? So the next thing we have the crosshair. So once you click on the crosshair, it's just like a plus and a horizontal and a vertical line. It's just like a plus sign, as you can see. It's like a plus sign. You understand? Now, what's the use of this? Though we'll get there. It's used to calculate pips. Maybe you want to buy from here, is used to calculate pips. You just hold on the left side and drag the right side. You can see we have 23 pips right there. You can see where they wrote 23 pips. So it's used to calculate the pips. And then what does the F sign mean? The F sign is to add indicators. And now what are indicators? Indicators are just like tools that help you to know the market condition. You understand? Now let's just add one. You can come on this plus sign, this F sign rather. Just add any one you like. We have many indicators here. Now you can see the indicators have their uses. This one is for trend. The indicators here are for trend. Maybe you want to know the trend of the market. These ones are oscillators, just like that. They have different uses, as you can see. So let me just add this one now, stochastic, and then you click on done. Click on done. You go back. So this is your stochastic. Some people, what they do, anytime especially in the synthetic market, anytime the stochastic, it's under this 20, all they do is just buy. You understand? Come to the 20, they buy. Come to the 20, they buy. You understand? Come to the 20, they buy. So that's all for indicators. So I'll remove this indicator now. The next one, we already explained this. It's just to view the different assets that we have added already from the quote section, from this quote section. You understand? Now this one right here not really necessary, so I will not actually talk about it. It's just to divide your screen so you can monitor different charts just to divide the screen. Instead of viewing this crash 1000 now, come here to view volatility, come here to view this other one. You can put as much as 4 charts in your screen using this place here. You understand? Okay, let me just do it now. Click on new window. You can see we have divided our screen into 2. So the highest it can take is 4. So we'll allow this one load now. Okay, I guess the network is kind of bad, but you get the idea already. We can divide as much as 4. That's the highest. That's the highest you can take. Okay, this is the chart now, as you can see. So that's just it for this. I'll take it back to default. And then right here, the next one, this is where we can actually buy or sell. Now this crash 1000. If I say sell crash 1000, just know you are heading straight here. Click on the plus sign and then you can see the option to sell and to buy. If I say sell, you sell. If I say buy, you buy. You understand? And then you have option to put the lot size that you want. You understand? So that's just it for this whole section. We've talked about this whole section. Now let's come down here. We've already talked about the quote and the chart. So what about here? The trade section is to see our account balance and then the running trades. Okay, let me go back here and buy this crash 1000. I want to buy crash 1000. Now I'll come here and click on buy. So I'll wait for it to become active. Normally it doesn't take time. I think the network is kind of slow today. Okay, I'll just buy again. Good. Oh, I actually bought twice. So you can see this is where this trade section is where we actually monitor our trades, our running trades, and also view our balance and then the overall total we have made. You understand? So we are actually in profit of 0.14 cents, not up to $1 yet. And then our 2 trades are currently in profit. So if you want to close, just hold this one, hold, you click on close position, and then you close with profit. You see it, you close. Do same for the second one, you close. Just wait for the network. Okay, closed. Now you can see our balance have increased by 42 cents. You can see it increased by 42 cents. So that's the importance of this trade. That's the function rather of this trade. Now the next one is history. The history. Now the history, like the name implies, is just to check the history of the trade you have entered. So once we click on history now, you can see this was the trade we entered some minutes ago. This was the trade we entered, and this is the profit for the day. This is the profit of the day. So when you start trading, if you want to see the profit of yesterday, you can just go here, click on it, and then you can go to custom and see the one of yesterday. You understand? You can go to the one of yesterday. Then we just created this today now, so there's no yesterday. So we just created this demo account today. Like you can see now, we created it today. So the last one, actually, I've never used this, so I'm not going to talk about it. So that's all for the tools section. I hope you know what the quote means. If you don't understand, go to the comment section, leave a comment, and I'll reply you. Also, tell me what the F section stands for. Just write it in the comment section. Tell me what the F section stands for. So next we'll be talking on, in our next video, we'll be talking on take profit and stop loss. Take profit and stop loss. Okay, or rather I'll be talking on buying and selling, because without buying and selling we'll not know where to put our take profit and stop loss. So we'll talk on buying and selling so that you know what the buy and what the sells means. So see you in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Leave a comment. I will definitely reply you. Thanks for watching.